There you are. What's up, you beautiful people? This is Sadiq from another of my episode, and this is Mila. So today we're gonna do a video on washing cars in car wash. Sounds interesting. Alright guys, that was it. This is my buddy Faisal who helped me out today with washing my car.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know, I find it funny because we wash our car all the time, but this is the first time. He loves my car more than me. He loves washing cars more than me.
Yeah, and it's not gonna stay washed for like a minute or two. Probably it's really cold outside, so
yeah.